today I want to share with you a very delicious and creamy dragon fruit ice creams that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. 'To prepare this delicious and creamy dragon fruit popsicles, these are the ingredients. I have vanilla extract, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 dragon fruit, heavy whipping cream, and of course the molds for your ice creams. This is everything we need, so let's get started.
Okay, I am ready, and I want to start here with my organic dragon fruit. Yes, when I say organic, it's from my garden. And this year I have so many dragon fruit. Oh my gosh, I really love this amazing fruit. So many antioxidants, so many properties. You guys, if you have a yard, you need to plant this plant. It gives you so much dragon fruit that you're really going to enjoy it. Well, here I'm slicing away little cubes of the dragon fruit. I want to make sure I get small little cubes so that it really incorporates into the heavy whipping cream. Well, here, remember, I am using only 1 dragon fruit, and this is going to be more than enough to make some lollipops, to make some ice cream that you could put on a cone. And of course, this is ready. Now I'm ready to start cooking the dragon fruit. I have here half a cup of granulated sugar. To this, I'm going to add my dragon fruit that's already cubed, and I'm going to take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it until the sugar has dissolved completely, and this is going to take about maybe 5 minutes. You want to make sure that it's boiling and that all the sugar has dissolved really good. This part is the part that takes a little longer because you want to make sure that everything incorporates and that the sugar has dissolved really good. And this is the real time. I want to show you how it starts bubbling from the edges and then it starts bubbling from the center. When it starts bubbling from the center, you are ready to go. You're ready to turn it off. Let me tell you, these lollipops come out so delicious that you guys are going to really love it. It's an easy recipe, very few ingredients, but yet amazing. Perfect for this hot weather. If you have little ones at home, they are really going to enjoy this amazing ice cream. Look at this. Now this is the time that we are ready to turn off the stove and put it aside to come to room temperature. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, now I'm ready. I took it off the stove. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I'm gonna put it aside. And here I'm adding 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna whisk away for about 3 minutes. Whisk really good. I don't want to have it all nice and fluffy. I just want to get a little bit of the thickness of the heavy whipping cream before I add the mixture of the dragon fruit. Look at this. Now I'm going to add all the mixture and I'm going to start incorporating, and you will see how thick this is going to become. Look at this. Remember, add it when the dragon fruit is at room temperature. Remember, don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of your vanilla extract directly into the dragon fruit mixture. Look how creamy, look how thick this is. I didn't add anything else. Look, okay, now this is ready to go. I am ready to start filling my mold of the ice creams. Look at this. I'm gonna do it slow because it's nice and thick. And when I'm done, I will show you how they look. I got 6 of them. I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna take them to the refrigerator, leave them there for at least 4 hours or overnight. Look at this. They're really nice and creamy and delicious. And of course, the flavor of the dragon fruit, just amazing. Okay, I have the skin of the dragon fruit. I'm gonna add some of the ice cream, and then I am going to cover them with saran wrap, and I'm going to freeze them. Look at this. I have the saran wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I cover them really good, because I am going to take it to the freezer and freeze them for about 4 hours. No more than that, they'll be ready. And the rest of the ice cream, I'm gonna put it here in the Tupperware, take it to the refrigerator, and it's going to be perfect to add in ice cream cones. After the 4 hours, I am ready to reveal how they look. Look at this. Look how creamy, and you can see the little specks of the dragon fruit. Look at the dragon fruit with the ice cream inside. Oh my gosh. I am ready for the presentation. If you like and love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Look how creamy this is. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready for the presentation. This looks amazing.
My friends, I am completely done with these amazing ice creams of dragon fruit. Nice and creamy, nice and delicious. And this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Just amazing. Make them at home. They come out delicious. The flavor of the dragon fruit, just amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing ice creams made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.